Want to become a Minecraft inventory master and speed up your item management? Let's dive into some lightning-fast techniques. First, let's talk about the problem. Disorganized inventory slows you down. You waste precious seconds scrolling and clicking, but fear not. Effective techniques are here to save you. Let's start by mastering hotkeys. Using hotkeys is crucial. Simply select an item in your inventory with your cursor, then press the corresponding number key on your keyboard. This moves the item directly into your hotbar instantly. This gets items into easy access slots with a click, ready to use. Shift clicking is your best friend when you're crafting or transferring between a chest and your inventory. Open the crafting table or chest and hover your cursor over an item you want to move, then hold down the shift key and click that item. All stacks of that item will automatically move. This is a significant time saver. Now, let's talk about the chest. If you're frequently visiting chests, the same shift click technique greatly improves your workflow. Open the chest and use the shift key and click to quickly transfer items between your inventory and the chest. Inventory management is key. Sort items into categories: tools, building blocks, food, etc. This will make your workflow go much faster as you collect resources. Arrange them in your inventory this way. As you gather items, take advantage of the hotbar for tools you frequently use. This lets you switch between tools quickly. The placement of your tools is important to increase workflow, and this helps you switch between items with the number keys. By practicing these techniques, you'll streamline your inventory management and become a far more efficient Minecraft player, helping you collect resources, craft items, and build faster than ever before. So get moving, enjoy Minecraft, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.